Which of the following Venn diagrams best represent the relationship amongst humans, mammals and whales? Oh, brilliant, brilliant. And to start with, humans, mammals, that link is easy. There are lots of mammals. Humans are mammals. This is humans, this is mammals. It's easy to know. All mammals are not humans. All humans are mammals. Lots of mammals. Humans, one such species. We also know there's no overlap between human and whale. No whale is a human. No human is a whale. And these Venn diagrams are very interesting. They're beautiful construct. So we are looking for two disjoint sets, right? And one big set which contains this. So this is out. This is out. This says human, whale, mammal. In no order will this work. This doesn't work. This works. Whales are also mammals. And I'm saying even if you had not known that whales are mammals, you could have answered this question. That's important. So even though knowing that scientific fact, you can answer this question. Venn diagrams are brilliant. Brilliant ways to just think. And you can put a bunch of, you can think about batsmen, bowlers, fielders. Put them in a Venn diagram. And you can put forward, attacking player, midfielder. Those of you who like cricket, football, you can do that. If you who like movies, you can put heroes, villains, superheroes, actors, actresses, superstars, superheroes, different things. You can just put any set of things and put diagrams around them and visualize them.